Hi parents! So today we're going to learn a new skill on blending the v+cc words. So vowel, consonant and consonant. For example, a plus with an t, and. So that's v+cc words. Let's start with the introduction. We are going to learn these 4 vowels today. I, I, O. So, these are some of the words that we're going to learn. We are going to separate it by the consonant. Yes, that's correct. By the consonant. Let's practice. What consonant can we match with these 4 vowels? I have 1, 2, 3, and 4 consonant. A, W, L. Ow. Oh. That doesn't seem right. Let's us blend A with the consonant and T. A and T, and you get and. That's correct. You get 1 reward. What about the next one? Let's do the dog carrying I. Is it this one? I think it's this one. I and K. Correct. It becomes ink. Let me give you a cheetah. We have 2 more. I think it's this way. Good. EGG. It's egg. What about this? OWL. I think it's the picture. That's right. It's owl. Here you go. You get 2 right. I give you 2 rewards.